everybody, it's a week in review.
Today in TV and film,
we're creating Foley
with our special guest, Dr. Pantal.
We're excited about tonight and Hoop Scootin' Boogie. This is a chance to bring our community together, both owls and otters, for the first time ever as a joint event.
We are excited to welcome the parents and families of over 950 students this evening to Hoop Scootin' Boogie.
Today at Chapman's Retreat, we're doing Walk to School Day to promote walking safely. Today at Mill Creek, the Nolensville Knights came over for pep rally.
We did a few things like a couple of question answers, and a hula hoop competition in the 5th grade beat me, and our cheerleaders performed.
Today at Walnut Grove, we released our butterflies. We watched it grow from a caterpillar into a J shape, into a chrysalis, into a butterfly. It was so cool. Today's field day at Pearre Creek! And these are some of the activities we've done. Tug of war, sack race, rocket launch, and most importantly, dance! This week at Hunter's Bend in 1st grade, we did a sun experiment. We're watching the shadow move based on the Earth's rotation.
Good morning, we're here at Heritage Elementary School with pastries with parents. The pastries are fantastic. Gwen, what do you think?
Good.
Did you get to eat with your dad?
I'm in AP Art and Design class right now, and right now we're working on a project that uses different mediums to create a piece of our own.
We did a reader's theater for the women men of the revolution. And some of the people we had to dress up were John Adams, Sam Adams, George Washington, and some of the ladies were Abigail Adams, Molly Pitcher, and Betsy Ross.
So what happens here is that there's hydrogen peroxide in the tube, and when you add the catalyst, which is potassium iodine, it sped up the process and it expanded extremely fast getting out of the tube.
Hey, we're here at Run Club, and we're getting ready for the grade code.
As I Choose Ambassadors, we led our lesson about being respectful.
Today at Longview in 2nd grade, we are selling cupcakes for Business Day. Today we had our 2019 Cardinal Fund. We raised $63,000, and we had a lot of fun.
5th grade learned about the election of 1860. After sitting in the ring of the presidential election of 1860, John Bell came in with boxing gloves and a rope.
We're making stuff for Market Day. I'm making like bracelets, and I'm using beads, and we're gonna use our desks as little selling places, and then we're gonna sell our objects to different classes.
Here at Thompson Station Middle School, we are having Thunder Talks with Miss Brown. We are learning about how agriculture and what we eat affects the environment around us.
This week in PE, we are playing battle ball, and so we have pins, and everyone else we have balls, and there's 4 different teams. And you try to throw the ball and knock down someone's pin.
In French class, right now, we're basically just learning the basics, and we got down location and stuff like that and how we're feeling and stuff, and now we're moving on to characteristics.
This week at Trinity, 4th grade had the birthday book club celebration. In order to go to the celebration, you had to read 3 books from author born in September. This month's authors were Jack Proletsky, John Skeetsa, and Roald Dahl.
Hi, we're at Nolensville High School, and we're running a blood drive this week to save some lives.
Today we're learning about leaves, and we're learning about tennis colors, and we're painting the leaves.
Today we ran our Hawk Walk fundraisers. I won!
This is our Visual Art 1 class at Brentwood High School, and they are starting their oil pastel drawings today.
1st grade is learning to top tiles, and we top tiles with our pointer finger, our middle finger, and our ring finger.
The art club at Fairview Middle School is working on an art challenge. They're creating a collage with recycled paper, with black paper, with glue, scissors, and with metallic markers.
First, I learned about life cycle and how forces repeat over and over.
Today in Ravenwood, we are looking at and analyzing x-rays. I love what we're doing today because I want to be a radiologist.
So what could that be, Abby?
this location.
The experiment was really fun. We had to do a lot of taping to make this project like hold up. So then we had to put track onto it, which was really hard because we didn't know what to do at first.
This week in orchestra, we've been preparing for our upcoming orchestra and band concert on October 7th.
This week we had a Thunder Nation party and it was fun. And all the teachers, the 5th grade teachers started dancing, and then there were snow cones and a lot of prizes.
Miss McCall's class were doing an array multiplication bakery.
This week at Renaissance High School, we had our improv show that the theater department put on. We did games like One Voice, Group Monologue, and World's Worst, where we would get suggestions from the audience.
This week we're doing badminton, and we're learning how to play it with, like, you have to hit the birdie, and if you get it on the side, then they get a point if you don't hit it back. And it's like a lifelong skill, so it's pretty fun.
These are Google Expedition goggles, and they are helping us learn about animal adaptations in 5th grade.
We're 8th graders at Mill Creek Middle School, and we're learning about the Revolutionary War in social studies class. And we made a rap about it. 1777 to 1778, Baron von Steuben worked the soldiers into shape.
Today at Lipscomb, we read The Legends of Rock, Paper, Scissors. It's a Tennessee State Book Award. We had a rock, paper, scissors tournament. It was a blast.
So this week in digital arts, we're working on our concentration projects, and this is my piece.
From Grassland Elementary School, and we love our bus driver.
Today at Kenrose, we had a blood drive for the American Red Cross. Lots of parents and grandparents came and donated blood, and each unit can save 3 lives.
This week at Grassland Middle School, we had an opening for our Performing Arts Center. We had a ribbon cutting, and people from the community came out to support us.
Today in AP US History, we dressed up as the founding fathers of the United States of America, and we debated issues that were going on with the debate of whether we should ratify the Constitution or not.
We're feeling with our feet what it feels like to be blind. I'm going to tell you about the life cycle of a butterfly. First it's an egg, then it's a small caterpillar, then it's a larger caterpillar, then it makes its J shape, then it's in a cocoon, then it's a butterfly.
The play is Peter and the Starcatcher. I play Peter, and it's sort of about how Peter Pan became Peter Pan.
Today, we have programmed Milo's tilt sensor.
It was a great week. Thanks for watching.